everyone, this is Dr. Akansha, an endodontist and smile expert from Ekdantam Dental Clinic, Jaipur, India. And today I'm gonna talk about most common myth most of you people have. Doctor, will cleaning or scaling affect or harm my teeth? Will my teeth become loose or will it cause loss of my enamel? Okay, so let's clear them. Why is professional cleaning required once a year in spite I brush twice daily? The answer to that question is very simple. There are many areas in oral cavity where brush can't reach, especially between the teeth and a teeth and gum level. Also, when you have irregularly placed or crooked teeth. Plus, most of the food we eat these days is a processed food, which gets stuck or attached to the tooth. This tartar remains on teeth surface and keep getting collected, and it hardens over a period of time, forming calculus, which can't be removed by just brushing. This tartar is basically a storehouse of lot of bacteria and microorganisms, which in turn makes your gum weaker, can cause cavities on tooth, and also bone loss, making your teeth loose. Therefore, they have to be professionally cleaned to make your teeth and gums stronger. Another question is, will my enamel wear? To answer to that question, let me tell you how is scaling and polishing done. So a dentist uses an ultrasonic device which has a vibrating tip and a high pressure water jetting out of it. So only external stains, tartar, plaque, calculus can be removed by water and not enamel. After scaling, polishing of all the surface of all the teeth is done using a prophy paste, a rubber cup or a brush. Now polishing is not only just for cosmetic reasons, that is removing on stains, but also polishing helps to make the tooth surface smooth and remove any residual plaque after scaling. On a smooth tooth, plaque is less likely to attach, and also it provides a really minty fresh feeling. Another major benefit which I would like to tell you is that during scaling and polishing, dentists move around your entire oral cavity, and any disease, maybe as small as a cavity to any cancer marker, can be caught early and treated. So this is the minimum maintenance everyone should invest for a good oral hygiene at least once a year. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. For that, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.